Yo guys, my name is Kingsley Benson, and of course, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, can you hit the subscribe button? It's a must, it's compulsory. And also click on the notification icon. Okay, so now let's go straight into this video. I want to teach you guys how to change your video from this to this. So you see, a lot of content creators out there are having issues with the sound. Imagine you're going to the street to shoot a prank video or a social experiment video or a commercial video, and you have a lot of sound like this at the background. Now what do you expect? If people want to watch your videos, you have low views because the sound is bad. So now I've come up with a very fast way on how to completely erase sounds from your video. I mean background sounds. Now imagine I'm making videos like this now and people are talking on my background. Gently, I talk, shout.
So me as you shout, when you get
That's an example. So now I can tell you that I can possibly clean out his voice from this video. So all you have to do is, number one, make sure you're using a Chrome browser, both on your iPhone, on your Android, or your laptop. Then slide into Adobe. Just go to Google and type Adobe Podcasts. Then click on the website, Adobe Podcasts. Then when you click on the website, first of all, I will tell something. You have to remove the audio from the video. Now, how do you do that? You can easily go to Xender and you see convert MP3, video to MP3. Then you input the video there and extract the audio. That's number one way to remove audio from video. Number two, you can do that online. You can go to search extract video from audio. There's so many ways you can do that. So now when you completely remove the video from the audio from the video rather, when you remove the audio from the video, you go to Adobe Podcasts on Chrome, then enter the website, then import the audio into the website and wait for some minutes. When it gets to 100%, trust me, you have this kind of sound. And then all you have to do is to remove the sound and download it to your mobile phone. If you're using an iPhone, save to files, then go to the files and save again so you can reflect on your iPhone. Then now go to your InShot or your CapCut or your Premiere Pro. Then put the normal video that you created that have a lot of noise. Then off the noise, just like I'm doing it right now. Then off the sound. Then input the new audio you downloaded from Adobe Podcasts. And trust me, you're good to go. So I'm sure that this has solved 90% of your audio problems. Every of your background noise is gone. You just remain you and the video. Now tell me how people will not be interested in watching your video after you clean your audio like this. For more videos, click on my videos, click on my channel and watch much more. Yeah. Expect new videos every week. Thank you. Peace out, love.